Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure your iPhone is updated and you are signed into your Apple ID. This prevents missing settings. Open the Wallet app now and tap the card whose transactions you want to inspect. You need this context because Apple stores recent transaction records rather than a complete bank ledger. Once done, tapping the card reveals merchant-level items, which is the first actionable view for clearing what you see on device. Once you're viewing transactions, scroll and tap individual entries to see merchant details and dates. This lets you confirm what appears on device. Apple Pay itself doesn't delete bank records, so to remove a charge, you must contact the bank or card issuer, explain which transaction and request deletion or dispute. Make sure to also remove any local receipts or screenshots from photos, messages, and mail, because deleting them helps eliminate local traces even after your bank updates. To finish, remove the card from Wallet if you want to stop future on-device transaction visibility. Go to Settings, Wallet, and Apple Pay, then remove the card. Restart your iPhone and sign out and back into your Apple ID to force a sync refresh so the Wallet display updates. If entries still appear, contact Apple support and your bank. Explain you removed the card and refreshed the device. As a troubleshooting tip, make sure iCloud backups.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.